With NextBike, it's never been easier to get around Stirling by bike. As a University of Stirling student, you get free annual membership and the first 30 minutes of every journey is completely free of charge. After the first half an hour, you'll be charged 50p for every additional 30 minutes with a maximum charge of £5 a day. Just head over to nextbike.co.uk and use your University of Stirling email address when signing up. Cycling is the perfect way to make essential trips and exercise while practicing social distancing. Getting out in the fresh air is also vital for your mental health during these times. Please make sure you follow the local guidelines to protect yourself as well as the local community. Always wash your hands before and after each use, and wearing gloves or disinfectant bike handles is recommended by NextBike. Please check out nextbike.co.uk for more information. Once you've subscribed, you can easily hire a NextBike via the app, at one of the 22 terminals around the city, or simply by phoning the customer hotline. To find your nearest bike, please check on the live map on the official NextBike website or on the app. To hire a bike using the app, enter your bike number and press Find Bike or scan the QR code. If using the terminal, enter your phone number and PIN number and follow the instructions. At this point, you'll also receive a code for your bike lock. Cycling is a great way to get around Stirling, as the university is only about a 15-minute cycle away from the city centre. There are 3 terminals right here on campus, one at the bus hub, one at Willow Court and one at Alexander Court. To return your bike, simply take the bike to a docking station and press Return Bike on the app, or check the confirmation on the terminal. Cycling is a great way to get outside and get some exercise. Being outside can lower your stress levels instantly. Just go for your cycle around campus or explore the city by bike. Long or short, just get outside, get some fresh air and enjoy the sights.